Nirvana Red Splash Vinca. It's gorgeous. This is one plant. Started off as a very small plant, and from January to 1st of May it has grown this way in partial shade, around 4 hours of sun. Pot size, it's around 8 inches wide and 6 inches deep. Well draining potting mix. Now the key to it will be if I'm able to save it during the monsoons, when we have very strong breeze and zero sun, in my south facing balcony.